Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT or any other cryptocurrency from Binance to Bybit. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, create accounts on both Binance and Bybit. Simply log in, go to your Bybit account and open the deposit section. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. In this example, I will use USDT. After that, choose the network you want to use, such as Ethereum or any other supported chain. Bybit will then generate a deposit address for your USDT wallet. Copy this address because you will need it in the next step. Now switch over to your Binance account and click on Withdraw. Select USDT as the coin you want to send. Paste the deposit address you copied from Bybit and make sure you choose the exact same network that you selected on Bybit. This step is very important because using the wrong network can result in losing your funds. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, review the details carefully, and click Withdraw. Complete any security verification required by Binance, and your transfer will be processed. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the USDT will appear in your Bybit account. That's how you can easily transfer USDT from Binance to Bybit. Thanks for watching.